Hi, this is Mayor Maureen Brosnan, and today is Friday, April the 10th, and City Hall is closed today in honor of Good Friday. But I wanted to take a moment today to stop into the office and share with you some of the implications of what's going to happen now moving forward as a result of Governor Whitmer's extended declaration of the executive order to stay at home. Yesterday, that executive order was extended until April the 30th. So for Livonia, that means some very specific things. First of all, it means that we're going to continue to operate at a critical services level. So critical services are those that are deemed most important for the health, safety, and welfare of our community. So we will continue, of course, to provide police services. We'll continue to provide fire and advanced life support services. You'll continue to see our road repair programs and our sewer and water maintenance programs all in full force. And our Livonia transit system in a limited fashion is going to continue as well. You will also see our waste and recycling program continue, and our 911 service, of course, is going to remain online. Yesterday, Livonia employees were informed of this program and that we would remain at critical services levels. So those employees who are currently working remotely are going to continue to work remotely, and others who are just at home right now are going to remain at home. So what does that mean for Livonia residents? It means that until April 30th, we're going to see City Hall remain closed, along with the Kirksey Recreation Center, our Livonia Senior Center, Livonia Public Libraries, our dog park, the golf courses. Playground equipment will remain off reach for folks, and residents are asked to use common sense if they decide that they're going to use the porta-johns or the tennis courts or any of the picnic areas. Golf courses are closed too. We are not the only ones that are working to protect our workforce and trying to balance the needs of the community as well. Yesterday, we received word from our waste hauling provider, Green for Life, GFL, that because they have a reduced workforce, they're going to have to cut back on their curbside yard waste services. So starting Monday, they're not going to be able to pick up the curbside yard waste. They're going to continue to pick up your trash and your recycling, and they're going to do their very best to stick to the timelines that they normally adhere to, but it may be possible that your trash is picked up just a little bit later. We're asking for your understanding. This is a tough time for everybody. So in recognition of the fact that the weather is getting nicer and that things are getting greener out there, we are going to open up our Glendale yard waste site. Our composting site at 32500 Glendale is going to be open starting on Monday from 8 in the morning until 3 in the afternoon. We'll keep that open Monday through Saturday in the event that you wish to bring your own yard waste in approved bags to that site. You'll have to produce proper identification, letting us know that you're a Livonia resident, and be prepared to maintain those social distances and to be wearing a mask. These are not easy times for anybody, but I have to tell you, I am ultimately encouraged by the strength of this community. We see it in so many different ways. We see it in the meals that continue to be provided for families in need by our Livonia Public School System, by Clarenceville, as well as the City of Livonia. We see it in signs and banners that are springing up all over in neighborhoods and on corners, handmade, homemade by businesses and kids that are all out there supporting our frontline medical professionals, people who are wearing scrubs and white jackets instead of capes and crowns. We see it in the recognition of our firefighters and our police officers and the clear understanding that they are bravely going out into contaminated environments, trying to keep us safe, trying to bring people to safety. We see it in the countless donations of supplies and financial donations and contributions and meals that are being provided to our sick and our elderly, to people that are going out and shopping for their neighbors, to the support that's being given in trying to find masks for our folks that are working in nursing homes that are under a lot of hazard, really. And we see it in the utter gratitude for people that are working in restaurants, that are working at driving the buses, our custodians that are keeping our businesses clean, our cashiers, people that are out there picking up trash. A lot of people are remembering to say thank you, because these are people that didn't expect to be our frontline personnel. They didn't expect to be part of our first responder group, and yet here they are. So please be patient with each other. Know that all of us are trying to do our very best to keep everybody safe. You know, every day there are updates on our website. I would encourage you to go there to find out what's happening, what we're doing every single day to keep Livonia safe. www.livonia.gov is the website where you'll find our situational reports. In the meantime, we're asking that you abide by the social distances that are being required and requested of people, and that when you do go out, if you have to go out, that you put on a mask. It's important that we adapt to some of these changes. We're going to need to hang in there for a little while longer, Livonia. I know we can do this. And I also know that when we're done, we're going to come out of this a stronger, healthier community. And the key to doing it is to know that we're all in it together. So be well, be safe.